Providence Park. Boom lift is navigating through the gauntlet of material. This boom lift's already up. Looks like he's heading up to work on the lighting racks. We've got guys working on seats up here. And we've got awning number 13 still being worked on. Here comes another crane. Lots of stuff still to move around. I think they're going to be getting rid of the blue crane one of these days soon. We got this canopy still really tight over the north elevators. They're working on glazing and roofing and electrical up there is my guess. It's got to be dry. And still a bunch of seats staged over here on the fourth deck. These guys are working on seating here too. More scaffolding up around the elevator and around the stairs at the south end. I wish you a great day. It's going to hit 70 today, right? Rose City till we die.